love movies but don't want to pay a dime or risk breaking the law? This list is for you. Let's go through the best free and legal movie streaming sites in 2025. First up is Tubi. Owned by Fox, Tubi has a huge selection of movies and TV shows, all free with ads. From cult classics to recent releases, it's a must-have for budget streamers. Next is Pluto TV. It's like watching cable TV but online and totally free. You'll find hundreds of live channels and on-demand movies in nearly every genre. The Roku channel is another top pick. You don't even need a Roku device. Just sign in and you've got access to tons of free movies, including some big-name titles you wouldn't expect. Crackle still holds strong in 2025. It's backed by Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment and has a solid rotating library of indie films, thrillers, and comedies. Don't sleep on YouTube's free movie section either. They've quietly built a huge catalog of full-length ad-supported films, all legally licensed and available globally. If you're into documentaries, check out Canopy. It's totally free with a public library card or university login, and it offers critically acclaimed films, foreign cinema, and educational content. Last but not least, Hoopla. Like Canopy, it partners with libraries to offer free streaming of movies, TV shows, and even comics. All of these platforms are 100% legal, ad-supported, and available now. So before you search for sketchy links online, remember, you've got great options that cost nothing and don't break the law. Enjoy streaming